Hi guys, back again with another video. Now in this video we are going to install the Yantralay School of Gadgets 4-way helmet chin mount. So this is a different kind of a chin mount. It's actually flexible enough to be put wherever you want. So we'll be looking at how to actually install it, the do's and don'ts. So I've been riding for a long time, a few years. So I do traveling like 1,000 kilometers I ride, and I do solo trips. So in those scenarios I've actually used a lot of cameras, your phones, the action cams, but the best option is always a helmet cam, because that is more flexible, the view is much better. So we'll be looking at what all views you can actually get, which place you should be putting it, which is a better option, and how to actually install it. We'll be talking about the angles also. So let's go ahead, install my action cam onto the helmet now. So this is what you get in the box. So you get 4 curved stickers for the curved adapters, then you get 4 straight ones which are for the straight adapters, and then you get this one which is for tying your device onto. So you can actually put this there, you can use the thread to actually tie it onto your device. In case this actually breaks or falls or anything happens to that, then it's always safe and it does not fall off. So that's that. Then you have this tool to actually open the screws, so you can actually assemble this with that. You get one long screw for the top one where the GoPro or whatever action cam actually goes. Then you have 3 small screws which we'll be using to actually make the attachment. So you get 2 separate ones. You get the straight one and then you get the curved one. So in case you want to put it on the helmet in the front where you want a little bit of curve, you can use the curved one. If not, if you want the straight one, you can use this. So we'll be seeing how to actually use that. I think everything is done. Yeah, and then you get a strap. You get a sticker. If you want to put that somewhere, you can put that. So let's go ahead and mount this on the helmet now. So now if you have a action cam which has a regular horseshoe mount, then you will have to get an extra accessory, which is this. So this one has the horseshoe adapter, and then it goes directly onto a action cam mount. So this was for I think around 200 rupees, so it was not that expensive, but I had to get this separately. Without this you will not be able to put this. Okay, so let's look at the setup, how I actually set it up. So this is where I decided to put it. Now before you actually finalize it and stick the mount, make sure the angle is right. So now this angle is good for me because the camera's view is going like that, and I actually kept it right at the place where it is just above the screen, so it's not going to get my helmet in this. So even though this is on the right hand side, it will still not get the helmet, so that's a good thing. Then now since it's here, I have the option of bending it front and back, and with this I have the option of taking it out. I have the option of moving it left, right, or front, back. So how many attachments I want to put, I can put. But what you need to do is put as less attachment as possible, because the more attachment you put, the more vibration you'll get on the device. So right now this is fine, no issues. Now for the money, I think this is a good purchase. The plastic and all, the quality of this is good. It's not great because I actually ended up cracking it, not because of the vibration or anything, because I over tightened it. So basically you get this tool with it. So this is what you're supposed to use to tighten all the screws. Now I used my Wallet Ninja to tighten the screws over here. So because of that, I actually cracked two of them. The only complaint I have is not with the thing which cracked over here. The complaint is with this. So this actually broke. So I just used it for one day and this broke. So this is not a great sign, because this is what is keeping the device in place. Now since we've seen that there is a possibility of this thing breaking, you should always put this adapter which is for the thread. So basically this is going to the action cam. It's not catching the mount, it's actually holding the action cam. So in case this breaks and it falls while you're going in high speed or whatever, you don't want the camera to fall down. So with this thread, it will just hang next to you, and then you can stop the bike or whatever and then remove it from there. So this is a safety option. Don't ignore this. It's actually quite easy to remove. So once you remove the mount from here, all you have to do is take the thread through here like this, and through here, and done. So it's out. So this and this will remain on the helmet. The entire thing you can take with you. So let's talk about the angles. So when you are actually installing action cam, if you're putting it in front, most of the people end up putting it like this. Now when you put it like this, the helmet is actually not looking straight this way. When you wear the helmet is like this. This is your field of vision. So line of vision, sorry. So this is your line of vision. So you have to keep the camera like that. So most of the people don't end up putting the camera like that. They end up putting it like this because the mounts are that way. Now with this, you have the option of bending it. So once you put it over there, you can actually bend the camera and keep it at whatever angle you want. So that's why I actually like this. So no matter where you put it, you want to put it on top, you want to put it at the back, you want to put it on the side, in the front, wherever you want to put it, it can be put anywhere, and the angle can be adjusted. Just remember not to use any other tool, just use the tool that came with this, because as soon as it is over tightening, this will start slipping. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.